The Bitcoin ETP will begin trading. We're going to examine the Chainlink ICP AI demo today on the London Stock Exchange. Brad Garlinghouse will speak to us about facial recognition, and after that, we'll discuss Ripple burning their XRP escrow and whether doing so would affect the price of XRP. Remain calm, you're in for a treat. Right now, Bitcoin is up 1% from its previous price of $68,442. Ethereum's 24-hour performance, which is currently at 393901, is changing in front of my eyes, but it is still up 6%. USDT and USDC both finished the day at 99 cents as XRPs, with a mean lean of 53 cents. Lou, it's up a notch. 53% must think it's all great. 53 cents increased by 0.53%. Not too bad, guys. Only XRP would be contributing to the current 65 billion rupees cryptocurrency market size if you need to understand the basic stage of the market we're in. Visit your preferred cryptocurrency tracking portal. CoinMarketCap, CoinLife, CoinWatch, CoinUse, GetGo, Paprika on any website you visit. You know that it is entirely up to you. Come on over. You can see all of the tokens that are up significantly by clicking on the most recent 24 hours over here. Scroll down, then turn the last 24 hours to the right. Just glance at them. How do they appear? Memes are what they are to you. We are currently in the meme coin phase, but we will shortly exit it, so don't worry, all the money from the meme coins will be refunded. Horrible meme coin tokens that will have no utility tokens won't even be around in the next few months, especially after this bull cycle. How far does it travel? It goes into the best performing cryptocurrencies, so Bitcoin will be where most of it ends up. A few are interested in Ethereum. We're still interested in that means, but perhaps a little bit more in the Solana, XRP, etc. phase of coins. We're going to break out of it shortly, so don't worry if you didn't check out the store, it's up. A few months ago, it was much higher than it is now. It's available now, and shipping is free for internationality is irrelevant to everyone. You will receive free shipping no matter where you reside or where you are. They have engravings on them. The best-selling items are whiskey glasses. I have those tumblers arriving. I have some custom puzzles and pillows coming soon, and everything is available here with free delivery. I'm also getting those Stanley Cup tumblers. Using a credit card to pay for cryptocurrency, I don't, just make a payment and purchase some. Crypto merchandise. It's very straightforward. People are panicking because there is a lot of activity from the Mt. Gox Bitcoin wallet. I believe that Bitcoin will reach its peak. Folks, this cycle is going to end when the bull runs over Mt. Gox, so back down to 3,000, 10,000, or whatever. Follow the plan. Crypto Historic, take it out, he leaves. When compared to the previous 5 years, it appears that the amount of Bitcoin that was transferred out of Mt. Gox's wallet today is the same as it has been every year. And guess what? Bitcoin didn't give a damn. It is still in motion and will continue to progress. You go there to relocate. Nick released it. More than 42,000 Bitcoins and 42,000 Bitcoins were transferred to unidentified wallets from Mt. GX. As part of the repayment plans, a single address will receive $9 billion in Bitcoin. Many people thought that there would be pressure to sell and that all of the Bitcoin would just be thrown into the markets, where it would eventually rise. Recognize that this is it, you know. Visit the naked market, the run was enjoyable. That we did possess it, rejected as plausible. Crypto suggested disregarding this right and sticking to the headlines. Adhere to the earlier charts. There is nothing novel about this. Has previously occurred, and what Bitcoin accomplished. Nothing can stop Bitcoin from doing what it set out to do. This year, it is expected to reach 100,000, and it will peak between 130 and 170, with the possibility of reaching as high as 250. It's nothing, but people are getting scared and shaking. Please, please, please don't. It's that psychological game again, I assure you. Today, the London Stock Exchange will begin to trade Bitcoin ETP, which is a significant amount of money. Folks, keep in mind that while every ETP is an exchange-traded product, ETP, not every ETF is an ETF. So what about this big one, the stock exchange? There will be more money coming in. You're curious about how Bitcoin plans to reach those six-figure areas, so read on. Get it on, these stocks are being traded on stock exchanges. Global exchanges invest large sums of money to attract additional participants. Prices in Bitcoin are rising. As previously discussed on this channel, we are spending over $100 on the Chainlink, as we previously discussed on this channel. Let's take a brief refresh to get started. Check the Chainlink chart, which is presently up 5.2% and trading at $18. The Chainlink's next goal is expected to be between $20 and $22, so you still have time to invest in this venture. Chainlink awoke in a crucial support area. From this point on, there's probably going to be a continuation and a low. I wouldn't be shocked if the price of this item increased by 150 to 300%, giving us a 300% price increase of $81,624. For proceed to steps 2, and 3, you're going to be looking at a $50 Chainlink. It promises to be enormous, enormous, enormous. Correct, Oracle, the definition of a burrito market downturn is a signed $20 breakout. Supplier of services Chainlink has made a significant move to take advantage of the BRT market correction. In the 24 hours leading up to press time, Chainlink had gained more than 5%, closing at $18.11. This refers to the same chart we previously discussed, as well as the possibility that the Chainlink will eventually replace our share. This is it, people, there's going to be a consensus going down in Texas with Swift. We also discussed Chainlink, and she is going to make us a ton of money in this bull market. They saw a demonstration of a very large AI that included facial recognition. ICP will be a beast to look at for $12, which is essentially nothing. Going to trade in 100 or 300, whatever it will be situated above. This will be another one that goes into the running. And it moves when it does. We were only up, not about $20 over, but we are in a slight consolidation. It wasn't too bad a few months ago. And everything is going to blow up, it's also consolidating, and this will force us to relocate. Take a look at the last 90 days, how high were we? Yes, as you can see, we were up $18, at least that's what I believe to be the case in April. However, after that, we had a short run, from 11 to 18, and then we fell. We're making corrections quite near the bottom of it, and then something will happen, it will boom, and now they are releasing their facial recognition demo. Hi everyone. That's a big one there, folks. Talk about big. Allow me to get this. Tether belongs to a non-US company. And, to be honest, the US is pursuing that. In this discussion on the Ripple stablecoin, Brad Garlinghouse stated that Ripple, a US-based player that was compliant initially, has a significant role to play. Pay close attention to the people in that area, especially to the person who says Tether is not a US-based company. And to be honest, the US is kind of pursuing that since they want regulation of this to happen yesterday. Well, the Senate has just produced a new bill to establish stablecoin legislation. Which is a good start, in my opinion. At last, there may be some forward momentum, but overall, I believe the market will continue to expand significantly. A US-based player who prioritizes compliance, in my opinion, yes, it's a terrific player in that, and it has a tremendous part to play, but look, I wish I had given it a little more time to pause. Participants in that area, especially one named I, messed it up again. Look at the current steady cryptocurrency market. In just 4 years, that market will have 150 billion players. We project that the stablecoin market will reach 2.8 trillion in 3 and 2 years. There's a reason why Ripple is entering the stable currency space, but the biggest joke of all is that they're abandoning XRP in favor of a stable coin. Here's some exciting news. The XRP ledger is the foundation for the stablecoin, and everything is built upon it. You're familiar with his tools. XRP Ripple is simply placing itself through astute actions. Brad is 100% certain of something. Brad is aware of people. They are constantly one step ahead since they have a sense that something is cooking and that legal professionals are involved. The CTO of Ripple has confirmed that burning the XRP escrow would be pointless. Here's why I believe this to be true, observed Stella Bernie Escrow. Yes, there was a roughly 7-point increase, but it quickly returned. We're not here, rapid throws down right. For swift throws. We wouldn't be in XRP if we were, as nothing moves quickly there. Knowing it well, other than the fact that price movement is rather sluggish on the blockchain. Realize that I've spent 7 years here. I understand, I promise. If I were to tell you, if I were to put money in the chain, I would tell you my story. I would have retired 4 times by now if luck had been used instead of XRP, but here's what we are examining about Dave Burney in his youth. What will take place? Nothing is in order. Nothing at all, not even worth the money. In other words, it will be the same. Repeatedly, isn't that right? However, what might in actuality, Ripple torch the escrow? XRP is what they are selling, but they couldn't. We would be searching for a monthly increase in the overall supply of XRP and a monthly dump back onto the market. Nothing will change in terms of price increases for it, though. Examine XLM. Though nothing changed, we would make it more difficult for Ripple to sell, which is something I support since you know that we've been through this before. Listen. We're going. Once more, they sell it through this. Has any bearing on us? It does so because everything they sell needs to be purchased for it to be restocked. Only to reset us to where we were before the other walls were taken down. However, nothing substantial will happen in terms of immediate pricing changes. People, burn the escrow. Don't burn the escrow, it won't affect the price in the same way as XLM.